So now let's see how we can go ahead and edit out the existing forms that we have in Microsoft Power Pages. So here you can see that I have a form, and let's say I want to go ahead and edit this. In that case, you can go ahead and edit out the fields right here, and it actually goes ahead onto the data section right here, where you can go around and make changes around to the fields as you want. So you can see that it goes right here. You can see the name and age right here. But let me just go around over here onto the page itself right here, just like this. And another way I can go ahead and edit is by going around onto the forms and by clicking on edit form itself. Once I do that, you can actually see that I can go ahead and change around the form data. You can go ahead and change on submit message and so forth right here, just like this. So this is what you have. And what you can also do is you can go to an individual fields right here, click on it and click on edit field. And then let's say, for example, change around the field name right here. You can also use a custom error message if you want as well. You can even show a description right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say enter your full name right here, just like this. So this is what I have right here. And if I were to go ahead and press done, you can see full name and enter your full name option right here. I can go ahead right here, and then you can go ahead onto edit field, and you can even go ahead and set a maximum character length right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to set it to 150 character. Then I can go ahead and edit it out accordingly right here, just like this. So I can go to this form field as well, and I'm going to go around and say like enter is in number right here, just like this. And you can go ahead and make this field required as well, just like this, as you can see. And this is what you have. And that is how you can go ahead and edit out existing forms inside of Microsoft Power Pages. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.